Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp version code not receive problem. So guys, if you really want to learn how to fix WhatsApp version code not receive problem, then keep watching this video till the end and also subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. First of all, let me show you what's the problem is. If I just open WhatsApp and try to log into my account, let me type here my phone number. And you can see here a problem is showing that we could not send an SMS to your number. This problem is showing because of I have been trying for a long time, but I could not get any verification code in my phone. So now let me show you how you can fix it. Just get back and here hold on the WhatsApp, then click on app info. You can also open app info from the settings app section. Okay, after open this app info, go to the app permission and from here allow these three permission: call logs, phone and SMS. Now get back and try again after a few minutes. I hope it will fix your problem. But still, if this method is not working for you, then let me show you another method. Open your WhatsApp. From here click on three dots. Then click on help. After that scroll down and click on this doesn't answer my question. Now describe your problem here shortly. Suppose I am going to type here, I have been trying to log in my WhatsApp but I could not get verification code. Please help me and fix my problem. And here below, if you want, you can add your screenshot. You can also skip it. I'm gonna skip it. Then click on next. Then from here again click on the this doesn't answer my question. Then select Gmail. Now as you can see, your text and mobiles all information is showing here. So from here just click on the send button. That's it. Now within few hours your problem will be fixed. So now we have to try again after a few hours. Okay. As you can see, after a few hours I have tried and I have got verification code in my phone. So from like this way, you can easily fix verification code not receiving problem. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.